says Spyder RS.
Yeah. I thought it was a GT4 when you first, mentioned it.
Let's go on the freeway.
Wow, what's wrong with that car?
Is that the fastest way to the freeway?
Yeah. Make a right. About the Spyder, you can hear everything.
Yeah.
And I think it's louder too.
Yeah, because it takes right next to your head.
Yeah.
Alright, just gonna go on the freeway now.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Why do you think I bought this thing, man?
Yep.
Like, I know there's someone that, obviously some guy, he said, like, he's been had Porsches for years. He said this is one of the top 5 he's had. He said, like, maybe a 991.2 GT3 RS is better.
Oh, it spins, huh? Sounds nice.
That's why you buy it, right?
What's the red line?
9.
9? Yeah, sounds insane.
You know what's funny is, like, I let my friend, I drive now, like, I'll just say, like, people love this thing.
Yeah. I mean, you don't need an exhaust.
No.
Yeah. Loud enough.
You know what's funny was, like, I went with a group of people who had all these exhausts for their GT3s.
Huh?
I'm like, I don't want one anymore, man.
Yeah.
I'm like, now that just seems to me that it's just annoying. I had a straight pipe GT4, remember?
Uh-huh.
Like, wow. Like, now I can see why people hate it.
I mean, this is enough.
Yeah,
know?
I mean, like I said, when you get older, you just don't want, there's certain times you just don't need more than what you have. I mean, I might still get wheels, but, See, that's 5,000 RPMs, man. Like, that's way, I was like, damn, this thing at 5,000 RPMs is way more fun than my GT4 was at 8,000 RPMs. This has the speed, the sound. Yeah.
And open air. So this is the same engine as the GT3, right? Not the same as a normal GT4.
Oh, no, yeah,
No,
this is
yeah.
the GT3.
The engine is totally different.
Yeah. Alright, just gonna turn around.
Okay, of course.
Yeah,
Nice.
Why do you think people go crazy on these things, man?
Wow, it is loud.
Really?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah, I mean,
Well,
I
I had a
thought.
straight pipe GT4, man.
Yeah, I mean, I thought it wouldn't be this loud, but then it is loud. Especially when, it's open air like this.
Yeah, that's why my friend's like, he wanted to get a regular GT3.
Mm-hmm.
He's like, yeah, now he's considering a Spyder. I mean, also, right? Look at the cars prices these days, right? It's like, dude, a GT3, a decent one is now $200,000, and it's used.
Used.
Like this, you can get one more or less for 200, brand new, right? so you have warranty in case this engine blows up.
Yeah.
And I mean, I like brand new just because like of the warranty itself. That's basically it.
Yeah. Plus, I mean, you don't know what what went on before.
And like, look, you have literally 90% of the Porsche GT3 experience for like half the price, right? And you see, this is why I don't miss stick anymore, man. All I have to do is just floor it.
Yeah.
That's where the fun is, man. Just flooring it.
Yeah.
But if you told me you have to give this up for a 911 ST, like I'll take the ST.
And why is that?
Just ST. That's it.
Okay.
You know how it is. It's like social media points.
Yeah. Back to the Porsche dealer. Oh, that car again. So annoying.
Oh well, we're not gonna be hearing it for that long anyway.
Yeah. It's my Supra.